We can directly drag a single side wall to quickly adjust the room size. We can also directly create a rectangular wall area to quickly draw an enclosed room. We can directly drag a single side wall to quickly adjust the room size. Next, don't forget to add windows and doors to the room. After we complete the initial house layout, we can use the floor plan function to design our house. Then, we can enter the model library to find the corresponding model and put it in our house. If you want to design quickly, you can use our AI Intelligent Design function. Just select your favorite layout and style, and let AI automatically design for you. It's so fast and cool. Finally, you only need to enter the rendering function. Use our preset lighting templates and environment templates, and click the render button directly. So congratulations, it only takes 5 minutes to design from scratch and get a cool rendering. Join us.